You can feel it now. Trucks got expensive, locked down, and strangely disposable. Payments climb. Manias multiply. Sensors complain. Repairs often begin with permission. If you believe drivers should still own what they buy, hit subscribe. Tap like and comment where you are watching Analog Assets from. Today we are opening a different list. Not the fastest trucks, not the prettiest trucks. 3 used pickups built before complexity became the product. 3 machines known for parts access, long service life, and problems regular mechanics can still solve. And the third one surprises almost everyone. This is not nostalgia. This is ownership math. We will show what separates these trucks from many newer models, what to inspect before purchase, and why dependable old hardware still threatens modern business models. Ready? Then start with the diesel legends. First, Ford's 7.3 Power-stroke and Dodge's 5.9 Cummins. Different brands, same philosophy, durability first, electronics second. Fuel systems on these older diesels rely more on pressure, timing, and serviceable hardware than maze-like software dependencies. That matters when something goes wrong. A skilled tech with gauges, compression tools, and experience can often isolate faults quickly. Compare that with later systems where multiple sensors and layered controls hide one issue behind 3 warnings. Then came particulate filters, extra treatment systems, and expensive failure chains. Short trips interrupt cleaning cycles. Soot builds, heat rises, repairs grow teeth. When those systems fail, owners sometimes face bills large enough to make them question the truck itself. Older 5.9 Cummins examples avoid much of that complexity. Pumps can be rebuilt. Turbos are widely supported. Fleet records and owner communities regularly document massive mileage totals. Same story with many healthy 7.3 trucks. Oversized engineering for real work. But buying smart matters. Inspect for coolant contamination signs, exhaust leaks, tired injectors, and neglected maintenance history. One flashlight can save thousands. Now the unexpected survivor. Toyota's second-generation Tundra with the 5.7 V8. This truck earned a reputation less like a commuter car and more like industrial equipment. It is not perfect. Nothing is. But many owners praise its straightforward toughness, towing confidence, and ability to cross serious mileage with routine care. Its famous weakness? Rust in harsh climates. If roads are salted, get underneath. If steel gives easily, walk away immediately. Later generations moved toward downsized turbo power and more layered systems. Better numbers on paper can hide greater long-term complexity. Its famous weakness? Rust in harsh climates. If roads are salted, get underneath. If steel gives easily, walk away immediately. Third, the GMT800 Chevrolet Silverado and Sierra generation. These trucks became famous for one reason: they keep showing up. The LS-based V8 family created exactly that. Pushrod simplicity, huge parts supply, deep documentation, and endless community knowledge. Known weak spots exist. Intake gasket leaks, aging fuel pumps, transmission wear under towing abuse. Yet repair paths are familiar and widely priced. Best buying advice: choose boring, stock suspension, factory wheels, work truck trim. Fewer modifications usually means fewer inherited mysteries. Many modern vehicles are optimized around dealer ecosystems, expensive modules, subscription features, and replacement cycles. Older trucks were built closer to the era when machines expected hands-on maintenance. That difference changes household budgets. A paid-off, older truck with planned repairs can cost less than years of payments on a newer truck still losing value monthly. So tell us below, which truck would you trust for the next 100,000 miles? Like this video, mention Analog Assets in your comment, and include the phrase "wines of thought." Subscribe, because next time we expose another product category where older engineering may still beat newer marketing.